Hey friends, this is just a quick instructional video on how to link your Schoology calendar into your Google Calendar. So the nice thing about Schoology is that every class you're in, their assignments get put into the calendar, but if you're like me and use your Google Calendar, I have a ton of stuff that is not at all related to anything from Schoology. And so what you can do is go up here in the top right and click on your name and go down to the settings section. You're going to scroll down until you see this calendar icon, and you're going to hit the enable button that's right here, and it's going to create this link. So select it, copy, either Control-C or right-click and select copy. And then you're going to go to your Google Calendar, and right here where it says add calendar, you're going to click the three dots and add from a URL. And here's you're going to paste. So Control-V or right-click paste. And we're going to add our calendar. And then if I come here and get out of the settings, it's going to show up. And so you can see these yellow ones are the assignments that are in Schoology. The nice thing is that now it's all in one place. I can toggle it on and off if I scroll down here. Pretty easily, and so if you don't want to see what's due, you can turn it off, but if you do, you can leave it on. Alright, that's it. Thanks so much.